Okay, so let's start our tour of this mathematical landscape. We're going to explore all the different branches of maths and, most importantly, see exactly where every single ZIMSEC topic actually fits on this map.
Now, every great journey has to start somewhere, right? And in maths, that journey starts at the core. This is the absolute foundation. Everything else, and I mean everything, is built on top of this. We're talking about arithmetic and its powerful sibling, algebra.
So first up, arithmetic. This is literally where mathematics begins. It's all about numbers, how we count them, how we classify them, and how we use them in basic operations. But here's the thing you absolutely have to get. Every single other branch of math depends on getting this right. It is the bedrock. No shortcuts here.
So every time you're working on prime factors, or ratios, or number bases, remember this. You're not just learning some random skill for an exam. No way. You're strengthening the absolute foundation of your entire mathematical map.
Okay, so once you have arithmetic down, we build directly on top of it with algebra. Think of it this way. If arithmetic is about specific numbers, like 2 plus 3, algebra is what makes those ideas general. It uses letters, variables, to stand in for unknown or changing numbers. And this is so powerful because it lets us write rules and describe relationships that are always true. It's basically the language of maths.
So when you're sweating over factorizing expressions, or solving a quadratic equation, or trying to find the nth term of a sequence, what you're really doing is learning to speak this universal language. That's the big picture.
All right, let's take a break from the abstract world of numbers and letters for a second. We're going to travel to a much more visual part of our map now. This is the region of shapes and space, and it's home to two big players, geometry and trigonometry.
And this part of your syllabus, well, it's all about the world you can see, you can touch, you can draw. We're talking about geometry.
When you get down to it, geometry is just asking some pretty simple questions. Stuff like, how long is this line? What's the area of that circle? How much stuff can I fit in this cone? It's the maths of the physical world around us, and it explores everything from flat 2D shapes to chunky 3D solids. And this is where you're going to find some of those huge ZIMSEC topics. You know the ones. Circle theorems, calculating surface area and volume, doing constructions with a compass. All that work with symmetry? Yep, all of that lives right here in the land of geometry.
Now, inside this big region of geometry, there's this super powerful toolkit. It's called trigonometry. And it's important to know, it's not a whole separate country on our map. It's more like a specialized set of skills that's laser-focused on one thing, the relationship between the angles and sides of triangles. So here's the key takeaway. You use trigonometry to solve geometry problems.
Okay, so we've been in this world of perfect shapes and lines. Now let's navigate to a part of the